Did you know that more than half of all falls among older adults happen right inside the home? That's right, not outside. Not on icy sidewalks, but in places we know and trust the most, our kitchens, bathrooms, and even bedrooms. It can feel scary, especially if you've had a close call yourself, or know someone who has. But here's the encouraging part. Many of these falls can be prevented. You don't need expensive renovations or complicated equipment, just a few thoughtful changes in your daily environment. In this video, I'll guide you through small, practical adjustments that can make your home safer starting today. Whether you're a senior yourself or caring for someone you love, these tips are designed to help you feel more secure and independent in your own space. Let's take the fear out of falling one simple step at a time. Welcome back to my Senior Health Tips. If you're new here, I'm David, and I'm so glad you've joined us. This channel is all about helping you live well, stay strong, and feel safe, especially as we age. Every tip we share is thoughtfully researched and reviewed by healthcare professionals, so you can feel confident that what you're hearing is both helpful and reliable. Today, we're focusing on something incredibly important: how to prevent falls at home. Whether you've experienced a fall yourself or simply want to make sure your living space is as safe as possible, this video will walk you through easy, practical changes that can help reduce your risk. Falls aren't just part of getting older, they're often preventable, and preventing even one fall can protect your confidence, your independence, and your peace of mind. And if you've been here before, thank you for coming back. Your health, safety, and independence truly matter. We're building a supportive, informed community here, and you're a valuable part of it. If you find this video helpful, take a second to tap that subscribe button. We post gentle, senior-focused health tips every single week about sleep, balance, joint health, memory, and more, always explained in a clear and friendly way. Let's take this step toward a safer home together. Tip 1. Light your path. Let's start with something simple but incredibly powerful: lighting. You may not realize it, but poor lighting is one of the most common causes of falls among older adults. Why? Because as we age, our vision naturally becomes less sharp, especially in low light. Shadows, dark corners, and uneven lighting can make it hard to spot obstacles like a rug edge, a step, or even a pet lying in the hallway. One missed detail can lead to a dangerous fall. But the good news is this: improving the lighting in your home is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to make it safer. Start with the places you walk most often: hallways, bathrooms, staircases, and the area between your bed and the bathroom. These are common spots where nighttime falls happen. Here's what you can do. Install motion sensor night lights in your hallway and bedroom, so the path lights up automatically if you get up at night. Use bright, warm LED bulbs in ceiling lights and table lamps. Make sure there's enough light for you to see the floor clearly, without harsh glares, in the bathroom. Consider a soft glow toilet light or a small plug-in nightlight. It helps avoid fumbling for a light switch in the dark. And don't forget staircases. These should be well lit from top to bottom, with a light switch at both ends so you don't have to go up or down in the dark. Also, check that light switches are easy to reach if you have to walk into a dark room to find one. That's a risk. You can even add stick-on lights or remote-controlled switches if rewiring isn't an option. Even small changes, like replacing a burnt-out bulb or adding a $5 nightlight, can give you more confidence as you move through your home. A well-lit space doesn't just prevent accidents, it gives you peace of mind. When your home is bright, it feels safer and more comfortable, and that matters. So take a moment today to walk through your home and ask yourself, can I clearly see every step I take even at night? If the answer is no, a small lighting upgrade might be exactly what you need. Tip 2. Remove tripping hazards. Now, let's talk about something many of us overlook: tripping hazards. These are the small things around our homes that may seem harmless until they cause a fall. It could be a throw rug that curls up at the edges, an electrical cord stretched across the floor, or a pair of shoes left by the bed. We get used to these items being there. We step over them every day without thinking. But as we get older, even a slight misstep can throw off our balance, and one simple trip can result in a serious injury. Let's start with rugs, especially those small decorative ones in the hallway or bathroom. If a rug slides when you step on it, or if the corners curl up, it's a fall waiting to happen. You have two safe options. 1. Remove the rug completely. Or 2. Secure it firmly using non-slip backing or double-sided rug tape. Either solution helps keep the rug in place so your foot doesn't catch. Next, look at your floors for clutter. That includes books, boxes, shoes, laundry baskets, or even pet toys. These items can easily become obstacles, especially if your hands are full or if you're walking at night. Also, don't forget about electrical cords. Cords that run across walkways like from a lamp, heater, or phone charger should be rerouted along walls or taped down securely. Better yet, look into cordless options when possible. If you use mobility aids, such as a cane or walker, a clutter-free floor is even more important. These tools need space to move without snagging or bumping into things. And remember, creating a safer space isn't about giving up comfort or personal style, it's about protecting your freedom and independence. Every item you move or remove is a step toward a home that supports you, rather than putting you at risk. If you're not sure where to start, try this. Take a slow walk through your home just like a visitor would. Pay attention to anything your feet might catch or your eyes might miss. That's where the danger hides. Sometimes the smallest changes like picking up a pair of slippers or removing a rug can make the biggest difference. You deserve a home that feels safe, open, and easy to move through. Tip 3. Let's support where you walk. Next, let's talk about something that can make a huge difference: adding support in the places you walk most. As we age, our balance and reflexes naturally change. Even if you feel steady most of the time, there are certain moments like stepping out of the shower or going up the stairs when your body just needs a little extra help. That's where supportive tools like grab bars and handrails come in. Let's start in the bathroom. One of the most common places where falls happen. The floors are often wet, the surfaces are smooth, and movements like turning, bending, or stepping in and out of the tub can throw off your balance. Installing a grab bar next to the toilet and another one inside or near the shower or bathtub gives you something secure to hold onto. These bars are designed to bear weight. They're much stronger and safer than holding onto a towel rack or shower curtain rod, which can easily come loose. Even a vertical bar at the edge of the tub can make stepping in and out feel safer. Next, take a look at your stairs, whether it's a full flight or just a couple of steps leading outside. Make sure you have a sturdy handrail on both sides. This allows you to use either hand for support, no matter which direction you're going. If you ever feel dizzy or unsure, being able to grab both sides can make all the difference. If you use a cane or walker, it's also important to have secure places to hold onto when transitioning, like getting out of bed, standing up from a chair, or moving in and out of a car. In these areas, transfer handles or bed assist rails can add confidence and stability. The best part: most of these solutions are quick to install and affordable. You don't need to remodel your home, just anchor a few well-placed supports that match your needs. Adding support isn't a sign of weakness, it's a smart way to stay strong and independent. It shows you're taking control of your environment, not letting it control you, and that peace of mind, it's priceless. So ask yourself, is there any spot in your home where you sometimes feel unsteady? If so, that's the perfect place to add a little extra support. Tip 4. Wear the right footwear. Let's talk about something that often goes unnoticed: your footwear, especially what you wear inside your home. Many people love the feeling of soft, cozy slippers. They're warm, comfortable, and easy to slip on and off. But here's the problem. Most slippers don't offer the grip or support your feet really need. Some slide on smooth flooring. Others have thin soles that don't protect you from sharp objects or uneven surfaces. And a loose slipper can easily fold under your foot or slip right off, causing you to lose balance. This doesn't mean you have to give up comfort. It just means choosing the right kind of footwear, something that feels good, but also keeps you safe. What should you look for? First, make sure your shoes or slippers have non-skid soles. This means rubber or textured bottoms that grip the floor, especially if you have hardwood, tile, or laminate floors. These materials can be slippery, especially in socks or smooth-soled shoes. Second, choose footwear that stays securely on your foot. Avoid open-back slippers or loose-fitting shoes that can slide around. Look for ones with a snug but gentle fit, ideally with a back strap or enclosed heel. Third, think about arch and ankle support. Footwear with a firm sole and slight cushioning helps maintain balance and reduce foot fatigue, especially if you're standing or walking for longer periods. Supportive footwear can also ease joint pain in your knees, hips, or back. And finally, make sure your footwear fits well. Feet can change shape over time. A shoe that was perfect 2 years ago might now be too tight or too loose. Wearing the wrong size can affect your posture and increase your risk of falling. You don't need anything fancy, just a pair of indoor safe, well-fitting shoes or slippers with solid grip and support. Many brands now make senior-friendly footwear that's both attractive and functional. If you are not sure what to buy, look for shoes made specifically for indoor use or labeled as fall prevention or non-slip. Some even have Velcro straps for easier fastening. And here's a quick tip. Place a small chair near your entryway or bedroom so you can sit down safely while putting on or taking off your shoes. Trying to balance on one foot can be risky even for a moment. The bottom line, wearing the right footwear isn't just about comfort, it's about safety. Every step starts with your feet. Let's make sure they're supported. Tip 5. Keep essentials within reach. Finally, let's make life easier and safer by keeping the things you use every day right where you can comfortably grab them. Think about how many times a day you reach high, stoop low, or stretch across a counter for something simple. Your morning mug, a favorite saucepan, your blood pressure pills, maybe even the TV remote. Each extra reach or deep bend can briefly throw off your balance, tighten stiff joints, or leave you standing on tiptoe exactly the moments that turn into falls. Here's a gentle plan. Walk through your daily routine. Notice which cupboards or drawers you open the most. Anything you use morning, noon, or night should sit between shoulder and knee height. That's your safe zone. Weigh a range in small bursts. Move heavy or breakable items like glass mixing bowls or the coffee pot down from high shelves before you need them. Slide lightweight. Rarely used pieces, holiday platters. Spare vases up top instead. Create grab stations. A small basket on the kitchen counter for glasses and vitamins. A bedside caddy for reading specs and the phone charger. A shallow bin on the bathroom shelf for daily skincare. Now everything lives in a predictable spot, no rummaging required. Use helpful gadgets. A lazy Susan turntable in a pantry corner brings soup cans forward with a flick of the wrist. An inexpensive reacher tool can lift dropped mail without awkward bending. Drawer dividers keep little medicine bottles from rolling to the back. Label or color code. Clear, bold labels or colored stickers make it simple to spot the right pill bottle or spice jar at a glance, avoiding long searches in cramped positions. If rearranging feels daunting, invite a friend or family member over for a 15-minute shelf swap. Put on some music, move just one cabinet's worth of items, and celebrate the difference. Each tiny adjustment steals a hazard and hands back a slice of independence. Ask yourself, could I reach my essentials safely with one hand while holding a rail or cane in the other? If not, today's the perfect day to bring those items a little closer. Your future self and your sense of balance will thank you. Now, here's a bonus tip for you. Stay active. And here's a bonus tip. One of the most powerful ways to prevent falls is staying active. As we age, it's natural to slow down, but gentle movement is key to keeping your balance, strength, and coordination. You don't need to do anything intense, even just 10 minutes a day of light stretching. Walking around the house, or simple balance exercises can help keep your muscles strong and your joints flexible. Try standing behind a chair and gently lifting one foot at a time, or doing a few shoulder rolls while seated. Every bit counts. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. Staying active helps you move with more confidence and reduces the risk of stiffness, unsteadiness, or that wobbly feeling. And when you feel stronger, you also feel more independent. So take the short walk, stretch your arms, or dance a little while you do the dishes. Your body will thank you. These small changes may seem simple, but together, they make a big impact. By improving lighting, clearing walkways, adding support, wearing safe shoes, and staying active, you're creating a home that supports your confidence and independence. It's not about doing everything at once, it's about taking one step at a time toward a safer, more comfortable space where you can move freely and feel secure. Have you made any of these changes in your home already? Or maybe you've discovered a fall prevention trick of your own that's worked well for you or a loved one. I'd love to hear from you. Share your tip or just say hello in the comments below. I read every single one. And your experience might help someone else feel safer too. And if you found today's tips helpful, don't forget to tap that subscribe button so you never miss a new video. Next week, I'll be sharing simple exercises you can do at home to improve balance and keep your body strong. You won't need any equipment, and you might even enjoy them.